is that bread she's making, but oh my god, look at this. I want to show you. This is yema filling inside it. Look at that. OMG. OMG. Oh yeah. There is my bread. From Sweet Boutique to Cook with Gabby. Good morning. And Gabby's just awake. I woke up like this. OMG. Greetings everyone. Good morning. Yeah, it's morning. So it's good morning of course. And I am going to unbox the really goody box I just received this morning. Yes, I'm so excited. It is from Sweet Tea by Florabel. So let's go. I'm excited. So I know it's carbs, a lot of carbs, but I guess I have to row 1,000 strokes a day. So here it is. So it's from Sweet Boutique to Cook with Gabby. Look at that. So, but I have an address in there, so I have to not to show it, of course. Smells good. You can smell it, like OMG. Look what we've got here. Oh my god, this is exciting. So she's making various Filipino breads, and of course we crave, and we are not in the Philippines, we are here in the Netherlands, so we really try to look someone who can do the job pretty well. And she's just a home bake, but it's not just a home bake, she's very good at it. So what I got here, I have Spanish breads. Look at that. This is so a lot. Oh my god, cannot wait. You see my face, like So I have Spanish breads here, and this is really full. Like, this is by 12. I will count it, of course. And we have ensaymada. So normally she has various flavor of ensaymada, but my husband prefers a plain one. So I have a plain ensaymada. What you order, what you get. Okay. Yeah, it's also, oh yeah, it's by 12 guys, so we have a dozen of ensaymada. So if you want some cream cheese frosting, or you want some cheese on top, you will get it, but we just want plain. And the new one, I'm so happy for this. This is the pastel bread. If you can see her post, I will put it on the description below, of course. This is from Kamigan. If you know, if you have this, if you've seen this in SM, so she's making it. I will open it, of course. So, oh my God, I cannot wait. I want to try. I cannot wait because I'm so curious. She tried to ask to like to hula what is that bread she's making, but oh my god, look at this. I want to show you. This is yema filling inside it. Look at that. OMG. OMG. It's so yummy. Oh my love. So much carbs. Then of course, exercise and eat, you know, repeat. Eat, exercise, repeat. If you want it warm, maybe 5 minutes in the oven or in the microwave, but for, this is good enough. OMG. Look at the bread, like, see that? She's just a good baker. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna try the Spanish bread. I think this one has a chocolate filling. I found very nice filling. So I think it's also nice to be warm up. But yeah. 1 minute. This is perfect timing for a coffee this morning, of course. And I have it. I have coffee. My barista makes really good. Okay, I tried this one. This is the Spanish bread. I tried the pastel. I want the ensaymada. She really packed it properly. Really nice. I will try to I will try to let my colleagues try this, and then maybe we can sell this in at work. Why not? Look at this. I want one. This is a plain ensaymada, as we want. Oh, This is perfect. Of course, for us Filipino, we really want more something in here, like the filling or the toppings, you know. But if you want healthier, just go for plain. It's literally on my gums. It's stuck. It's too soft. Okay. Now I can talk. Yes, that was it. So 1,000 strokes of rowing a day for all the carbs, and I will put on the description below. Sweet Florabel, thank you so much, Sweet Boutique, for the really nice bread. Oh my god, I saved for another action in here in my kitchen. So thank you for this, and yes, I will see you in the future. Bye guys.